If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
Our fabric is 8 inches for the chest, 8 inches for ruffles and 1 inch for the seam allowance. The length of the top is 9 inches plus half inch for the bottom hem. We need to do zigzag stitch for the top side of the fabric. You can fold it slightly and do the zigzag stitch. For the hem, we are going to fold it 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch and do the stitching. We are going to stitch one side of the dress by placing it right side facing right side and then giving a half inch stitch on the side. We have done the stitching. Now let's move on to attach the elastic. We have used soft elastic here. The length of the elastic is slightly less than the chest measurement, which is approximately 15 inches. To be on the safer side, we have cut little extra elastic. We can adjust that once we finish stitching. We are going to do straight stitch and we are going to pull the elastic so that it gives us ruffles. Place the elastic 1 inch away from the top side. We have done the ruffles on the top side. Now let's stitch the pending side together. I've used bias tape for making the straps for the dress. You can use a separate cloth as well. Our strap length is 7 inches long. Let's place the strap 1.5 inches from the side of the dress. And our beautiful summer dress for the baby is ready. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. I will see you in the next project. Till then, take care and bye-bye.